Welcome to Voice Up Worship Leader Training. My name is Carolyn. I've been a vocal coach for 14 years. I've been in worship bands at church for the last 25. I've been singing all my life and absolutely love it. I started writing a workshop for training worship leaders and those who want to become worship leaders about 5 years ago. I saw that people wanted longevity and to be trained in worship leading, but there wasn't a structure there to really help them with it. So I decided to write this workshop to help them with that structure. This workshop that goes for 6 hours is designed to build longevity and excellence with Christ as the focus.
I did the vocal workshop at the Vine Baptist Church. I really enjoyed it. I came into it as an inexperienced worship leader. Throughout the workshop I improved technically and I would recommend it to anyone thinking of becoming a worship leader or just wanting to sing in a band.
In this 6-hour workshop we will be covering the big 5: vocal technique and health, unison, harmonisation, mic control and worship leading. We'll also be doing a focus on free worship and how to do that with a congregation of all different personalities and history. There will also be a support network where they can contact me at any time to talk about any issues or questions that they might have about worship leading or training in worship leading.
This workshop taught me some tools which I could use to continue learning long after I finished actually doing the workshop. It had a great focus on stewarding my voice well so I could take care of it and continue to glorify God.
Thank you for listening and I hope to see you there.